If you ever wondered how to start investing in crypto, stocks, and ETFs, all from one app, the answer is simpler than you think. Meet Bitpanda, a powerful Europe-regulated platform that lets you start investing from just $1. Bitpanda is known for more than 6 million users worldwide, user-friendly interface, zero deposit fees, and top-tier security measures. So whether you're new to investing or a pro, this platform has you covered. Today, I'll show you how to create an account on Bitpanda in less than 5 minutes, step by step. You will learn how you can deposit funds using your credit card, debit card, or cryptocurrency. How you can start buying more than 600 different cryptocurrencies, whether you want famous ones like Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Solana, or some other less famous ones like Dogecoin, Polkadot, or many others. They also use Bitpanda for holding stocks like Apple, Tesla, Amazon, and others. They offer zero deposit and withdrawal fees in all payment methods, but little talk about it more later. So let's get started. To avoid fake website, to sign up to Bitpanda, you can go to the link that you can find in the description of this video. And if will bring you to the official Bitpanda sign up page. Since we already created an account, I'm going to tell you all the steps that we went through. First, click sign up button or start investing. The new window will appear where you're gonna put your first name, last name, email address, create a strong password, and choose your country of residence. Click on create an account and then you will get an email to confirm. Once you do, the next step is to verify your identity. Prepare your ID or passport and get ready for face verification. Click on continue and just follow the steps. You will not need more than 2 minutes. Once you've done, the new windows will appear and you're ready to use the platform. You can explore the platform and buy your first cryptocurrency. First thing you need to do is to deposit assets. In the upper right corner, you can see the button that says deposit. Click the button, then you will have two options: fiat currencies and cryptocurrencies. If you want to use your credit or debit card, you can use the fiat currencies options. If you want to send crypto from some other exchange or wallet, you can use cryptocurrencies options. You just need to click, for example, fiat, choose the currency you want to deposit, then choose the preferred options. You can get a bank transfer, Visa, MasterCard, Skrill, and Neteller that is not available for USD. Once you take on the preferred option, you just need to follow the instructions and put your credit or debit card information. If you want to deposit cryptocurrencies, you're gonna go back and click on cryptocurrencies option. Find the cryptocurrency you want to deposit. You can deposit Bitcoin, Ethereum, Tether, and many other cryptocurrencies. Let's say you want to do the Tether. You can choose a network. We often use DSC network for depositing because they have a very low fees. And you can click to view your wallet address where you are going to send cryptocurrency. In this case, you can see that we deposited $60, which is around 50 euros, and now we are going to explore the platform. Before we start, I just want to mention that they always have different promotions. Right now, there's a promotion where you can earn the whole Bitcoin. You have one free entry if you register using our link, and also for every 45 euros or more invested in crypto, you are getting another entry. You can find more information on their website. And if you're watching this video after July 23rd, you can look for some other promotions when you click on Explore. Now we can explore the platform, and as you can see, they're creating their own Web3 ecosystem and their own token, which is called Vision, and you can find more information if you take on Explore now. They have a great trading platform, which is called the Bitpanda Fusion, and we are going to dive in just a second. You can use a saving option to earn interest rates. You can explore new projects and many more things. If you decide to trade cryptocurrency or stocks, you can click on Bitpanda Fusion. You will see their platform, which is very simple for trading. You can choose right here different trading pairs that you're gonna use for trading. If you go on the right side, you can use different orders like limit, market, stop limit, stop market order, and many others. And right here on the downside, you're gonna see your active orders, order history, trades, balance, and many other things. At this moment, there are many undervalued stocks and cryptocurrencies you can buy. And we're talking about stocks. Some that are we watching right now are Tesla, which is discounted 21% from all-time high, Apple 75%, Alibaba 75%, and AMD, which is discounted 35% at this moment. If you decide to invest in any cryptocurrencies or stocks, you can take on trade, buy, and find the asset that you want to buy. As you can see here, you can invest in different assets like gold, Nvidia, Microsoft, Apple, Amazon, Alphabet, Bitcoin, Meta, and many others. And the thing that we like about Bitpanda is that you don't need to buy the whole stock or the whole crypto. You can invest just in the fractions. For example, I can buy gold just for 2 euros, Nvidia for 5 euros, Microsoft for 5 or 10 euros, and create my own portfolio as I wish. I will find the PayPal. Here's the PayPal. And here you can choose a currency that you have. For example, I deposited US dollars in amount of US dollars that you want to invest in. Here I'm going to buy a PayPal for $10. Agree to the terms and conditions and click buy now. I just bought $10 worth of PayPal. I can go to my portfolio and I can see that I have one stock that I just bought and the rest is in cash. If we click on the stocks, I can see that I bought PayPal and what is the current price. In my opinion, PayPal is a very good investment at this moment because it is extreme undervalued and it is a very good company with a cash flow machine, new CEO with a strong turnaround history, and as you know, digital payments trend is still growing. Keep in mind that I'm not a financial advisor and this is not a hype stock. It is a boring giant on discount and it is a perfect for long-term compounders. You can also go to Discover and explore the platform, see the new tokens. You can even create a Visa card that you can use for payments, and you have many other options. That was a quick walk through the Bitpanda platform, and if you're still wondering why to choose Bitpanda, keep in mind that Bitpanda is not just a crypto broker, it's a multi-asset investment platform designed for everyone. And here is what makes you stand out. You can start investing from just €1. You can buy Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, and many more cryptocurrencies. You can invest in fractional stocks like Apple, Tesla, Amazon, and you can buy just a part of the stocks. You can be diversified with ETFs and precious metals like gold, silver, and others. Bitpanda is fully regulated in the European Union, including MiCA license. They're official sponsors of football club Bayern Munich. Amongst others, they have Paris Saint-Germain and Milan. They have a very clean and beginner-friendly mobile app, and the link with the promises you can find in the description of this video. Sign up now and explore the platform. If you want to learn more about trading and investing, you can also download our free ebook and watch our free YouTube course. See ya in the next video.